Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Thank you so much for all your support, and this video is something very special because my friend gave me a fresh cassava from their farm in Tanay. So shout out to you, Marian Ramos, for giving me this. I hope that this will not be the last ayuda from you. Alam mo yan. I'm just here waiting for you. And to appreciate you, I decided to make cassava cake. So let's start. So here are the ingredients. We have 6 cups of grated and squeezed cassava, and 2 cups of low-fat milk, 2 cups of condensed milk, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 pieces of coconut grated, and 2 cups of coconut milk, and 3 pieces of eggs, and cheddar cheese grated for the toppings. And also we have here the organic coconut sugar as a toppings because I will decide half with sugar and half with cheese. So let's start. So first, let's mix all the liquid. So the eggs, then the coconut milk, then the condensed milk, the low-fat milk, okay, now the liquid are mixed. Now let's mix the dry ingredients, the sugar, and then the coconut, okay, now it's mixed. Now let's pour the liquid. Let's blend it nicely till the sugar dissolves. Now let's put on the baking pan. Okay guys, so this is the cassava cake with coconut, and we will bake for 1 hour with 175 degrees. Okay guys, so now the cassava cake with coconut is ready, and now we have to put the toppings. Half with coconut sugar organic, and the other half is with cheddar cheese. So let's sprinkle the cheese. So you have an options which one you like, either with the sugar only or with the cheese. So okay guys, the cassava cake with the coconut is ready. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below and I will do my best to do it. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to support me. And for any updates, for any other healthy recipes or some funny videos, please don't forget to click the notification bell button. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye! Again, thank you very much, Mayan Ramos, for the cassava. Bye!